Hello, my name is Darlene, and today I'll be diving into second languages and cognition as my topic of research. The cognitive principle is based on how bilingualism affects various cognitive functions, with the disadvantage in lexical access and advantage in cognitive control. The research indicates that multilingual affects cognitive and linguistic skills, including language, memory, and executive processes at various stages of life. The study involves comparison of participants of young and old age groups with either monolingual or bilingual backgrounds, performing tasks related to cognition functions, such as working memory, lexical retrieval, and executive control. This research is significant in highlighting how age affects cognitive functions in monolingual and bilinguals. The younger individuals have better performing outcomes than older individuals. It also shows that bilingualism can benefit older individuals by boosting executive control development and delaying onset cognitive decline. The methods involves 96 participants of young and old age groups who are either monolingual or bilingual. The research conducts 3 tasks that assess in working memory, lexical retrieval, and executive control. Simon's arrows are used to assess cognitive control, and involves the focus on the buttons to press in reaction to the colors instead of the direction of the arrows. Next, the PowerPoint presentation of stimuli is used for picture and definition matching, category and letter fluency. And last, the core sight block test is used for memory and cognitive skills. The core sight block test involves the participants tapping the cubes in a repeated manner immediately after the sequence follows. The results shows that younger participants performed better than older participants, suggesting that age has an impact on cognitive functions. In comparison to monolinguals, bilinguals have better executive control but worse lexical retrieval, especially in older participants. The results also highlighted the complicated relationship between bilingualism and cognitive capacities across different age groups and validates earlier findings on the impact of bilingualism on cognitive processes. Strengths of the study include comprehensive approach to the topic by examining different life periods from the groups and take account of their cognitive functions. The replication of the results were successful by using similar task types and subjects. Lastly, the research directed the methods with a clear focus on comprehending cognitive impacts of bilingualism in working memory, lexical access, fluency, and executive control. Limitations include small sampling size, lack of longitudinal data, and lack of further clarifications. The small sample size of 96 participants may limit generalizability for larger populations. Having longitudinal data could have provided further insights in long-term effects of bilingualism on cognitive functions. And the study acknowledges that further clarification of data is needed, indicating that there may be aspects of cognitive effects of bilingualism that requires additional research. The implications of the research indicates that bilinguals outperformed monolinguals in executive control skills, but lacked in lexical access tests. And the Broca's region may have a role in resolving conflict during lexical processing, affecting the cognitive functioning in bilingual persons. These implications are significant as they are essential in understanding how bilingualism impacts across age groups and how incorporating bilingualism when studying cognitive functions can be beneficial. The implications also indicate the advantages of bilingualism in cognitive functioning, potentially in cognitive reserve and protection against declining in old age. And further exploration is needed to understand the mechanisms of cognitive control and lexical access in bilingual individuals, which can benefit further research in cognitive aging and dementia.